A week ago, I was scrolling through Instagram when I saw this advert. It's an advert for an engraver pen, a pen which can carve and engrave designs onto lots of different materials, and just like this man in the collapsible chair, I thought I could bring mine with me on my adventures in the wild. It arrived very well packaged. This bubble wrap meant it was in great condition, and nowadays it's quite rare to get a package that isn't at all damaged. This, however, came in perfect condition. Here I have the engraver pen and this awesomely styled bag you can see to the side. Unsealing the pen, I tried to open it elegantly like you see in the advert. It took a bit of encouragement, but finally we get it open and we can see the contents inside. We'll open this bag at the end. Here you can see we have the charging wire. This pen is rechargeable. It can last for up to 2 hours of continuous use apparently, which was a great factor. No batteries and no cords. Here we have the manual, and these are all of the drill bits you get with the pen. Here's the pen itself. It's very compact and lightweight, but it's also hefty enough, which means it should be able to be used very easily for engraving. Putting that aside, we're coming to the very, very cool bag. I love the design of this bag. We don't need scissors for this, we can just rip it open. Inside this bag, we have a little thank you card. And we have the extra bit I bought alongside the pen. These are the wood carving engraving bits. They're specifically for wood. There is 6 of them. They're tungsten, and they are resistant to high temperatures and should last a long time. Coming back to the bag I said we'd look at the end. Inside what looks like a rolled up cigarette is actually another drill bit. It's got a round end, and it feels very sturdy and good quality. We also have an Allen key in this bag. This can be used to securely fasten any of the drill bits to the pen itself, and some tiny screws here which if I get out I will most certainly lose. So there we have it. That's everything that came in the box with my Culiau engraving pen.